Dear students, good morning, namaste. We are on the online classes, Maths, ICS, and the chapter is sequences and series. In that chapter, we already solved the problems in the exercise 9.2, 14th problem, 4th problem, and the first problem is solved in the previous part 6. Okay, now, in order to make it as one order. Now I am going to solve the second, third, it is the second one. It is the second and it is the third. Fourth is already is there. Second, third, fifth, sixth, seventh problems. You see in our textbooks, open it. It is very, the board is not sufficient, board is not there, very difficult. Now the period is like that. We try to take it into account, okay na? But the solution is important. These problems written on the board, the questions is for my sake only, for not your sake. I want to take this, see in the problem and the solution is important, okay na? So you see the problems in your textbooks. Second problem. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 100 and 1000. You see the meaning of between, this is second problem, between 100 and 1000. The previous problem, first problem is from 1 to 1000 is there. That is a different, from 1 to 1000. So including 1 and 1000, that is first problem. It is between 100 and 1000 means you delete that one. All the sum of natural numbers. In between this one, 101 is there, 102 is there, 200, 500, 900, 990, 999 up to. Okay, na? Those are the natural numbers between this one. You see, I will write it. 101, 102 and going on up to 999 is there. Okay, na? Before this one 100 is there, after that one 1000 is there. Between, that means not this one and that one. These are the numbers, natural numbers. But here in these natural numbers, we have to take the sum of all natural numbers, multiple of 5. That is important. Multiple, it is multiple of 5. That implies 105 is a multiple of very first one. Next 110, 115 and it's going on 995. Then it will come 1000. But 1000 not taken, 100 and 1000 not. Between those two numbers we are taking, these are the multiple of natural numbers. Multiple of 5 which are natural numbers between 100 and 1000. Okay, here it is, A is, first number is 105 and D is 110 minus 105 means 5. It is, okay. So 5 is D, 105 is A. Here it is needed to find the which number is 995. So it is Tn, let we are assume. Nth term is 995. That means, what is nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D na. A is 105, n minus 1 into D means 5. That is 105 plus 5n minus 5. 105 minus 5 is 100 plus 5n is equal to 995. Okay na? So 5n is equal to, send 100 to this side is 895. N is equal to, dividing with 5, it is 1 is 7 and it is 9. So N is equal to 179. That means, what is the meaning? In this natural numbers which are in between 100 and 1000 and are multiple of 5, there are 179 numbers are there. 179 numbers are there. Here, the number of terms are there. And we have to find the sum. Sn. Okay, na? Sn is n of sum to n natural numbers. All multiple of 5s between those two numbers. N by 2 of A plus L. What is n? 179 by 2 of A is 105 and L is the last one, 995. It is 179 by 2 of, it is 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, and 1, it is 1, 1 is 10, 11. Okay, now, see then, the calculation is 995 and 105, 10, 1, 0, 1, 11. And it is 179 into 2 5s, again 2 5s, 0. What is it is 0. It is 5 9s 45, 4 is there, 17 5 is 85, 4 89 is there, and again the same thing. It is 5 9 8. I am writing here. Just it is 8. It is 0. It is 5. It is 4. 1, 10, 18, 9. Okay, now? So this is the sum of all natural numbers between 100 and 1000, which are multiple of 5. Here the concept is, what are those numbers is important. First number is D, common difference is okay. And the last number, we know that 995, but not 999. That is multiple of 5, 995. That number 995 is what number? Which number is? Which number means nth number, nth term. That n is 170. Like that we have to calculate. Okay, now? It's an important concept. Go through it. Okay, right. Now the third problem. In an AP, the first term is 2. A is 2 now. And the sum of first 5 numbers, sum of first 5 numbers, 5 terms is 1/4. You see in your textbooks, 1/4 of the next 5 terms. You see, first term, this is first term, A is 2 is given, and common difference is equal to D. We don't know, I am taking D. Okay, now? You see, by problem, what is the problem? What is given in the problem? You see, sum of first 5 terms is equal to 1/4 of sum of the next 5 terms. Okay, now? Right. Sum to first 5 terms. First 5 terms. T1, T2, T3 like this. I will write it. T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. This sum is nothing but 1/4 of the next T6, T7, T8, T9 and T10. That is the way. You see, how can you calculate this one? Here in this case, first term is T1, that is A is given, yes, okay. First and the last. N by 2. N by 2 is important. Sum of numbers in AP. It is 5 by 2. Okay, na? There are 5 numbers. Okay, na? Of. Is it clear? Okay, na? Right. And it is A plus L. What is A? A is T1 is 2. And what is the last number? The T5. T5, I will write first A then. A. T5 is A plus 4D. Na? Any confusion? Okay, na? Right. You see, this is L, just like L. A plus L. T1 is nothing but A. Again we will substitute. 4 plus 4, A plus 4D is fifth term, the last one. And 1 by 4 of, what is T6? We don't know T6. But A plus 5D, will you agree? This is the sixth term. A plus 5D. And the last term is the 10th one. It is A plus 9D. Okay, na? D is not given. See na? Here also n by 2 is there. I forgot to write that one. Here also n by 2 is 5 by 2. Don't confuse it. Because here also 5 terms. Beginning with D6 is different one. Sum to 5 terms. So n by 2 formula is there. N by 2. Here also n by 2. So this n by 2 and n by 2 cancels 5 by 2, 5 by 2 cancels. Don't confuse it. Okay, na? Is it clear? Or otherwise, again I will write it clearly. It is 1 by 4. This one is there. And n by 2 means 5 by 2. And it is T6 is the first term in this series. That is A plus 5. The last term is A plus 90. Is it clear? Yeah. 5 by 2, 5 by 2 and both sides cancels. So here A plus A is 2A plus 4D is equal to 1 by 4 of A plus A is 2A plus 14D. Okay, na? Right. It is 8A plus 16D is equal to 2A plus 14D. Simplification. That implies, I am writing here on 8A minus 2A, 6A. Here it is plus 16D minus 14D means 2D is equal to 0. It's correct? It is 16D minus 14D. Okay, no. 8A minus 6A, 2A is 6A. 16 minus 14 is 2D. This is 3A plus D is equal to 0. 2 is common. So D is equal to minus 3A. Minus 3 into A is 2. So minus 6. So D value is minus 6. Okay, na? I am writing here. It is minus 6. So A is 2 and D is we found. Like this one. This is the condition. Through the condition we find that one. Okay, na? D is okay. Now, you see, I have to, you see, in the NIP, the first term is 2 and the sum of something is given. The question is to show that the 20th term is minus 1. What is 20th term? Not the sum. Show that the 20th term, T20 is equal to A plus 19 D na. A is 2, 19 into what is D? 6. It is 2, 9 is 114. 19, 6 is 114. That is minus 112. Okay, na? Is it clear? The very good problem. Okay, na? Now, you see, now we go to the next problem. Fourth is already is there. Now we are going to fifth problem. Okay. Fifth one. It is also an important one. Please try to understand it. These are all very good problems. Concepts are very good. In an AP, the pth term is 1 by q and the qth term is 1 by p. First we find. There is the fifth one given. What is given? Pth term. That means Tp. Tp is equal to 1 by q and Tq is equal to 1 by p. That is given there. Tp means T10, A plus 90, T5, A plus 40, like that. It is A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by Q na. And Tq is A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by P. where we are assuming A is first term of AP and D is a common difference of AP. That is the thing. Okay, yeah. See, it is say 1 and it is 2. From 1 and 2, okay, na? From 1 and 2, subtract it. 1 minus 2. Now we are taking 1 minus 2 is equal to, okay, na? 1 by q minus 1 by p. 1 minus 2. What is 1? What is 1? 1 is A plus P minus 1 into D minus A Q minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by Q minus 1 by P. Okay, now 1 minus LHS minus LHS, RHS minus RHS. A cancels, D is common, it is P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 is equal to P minus Q by PQ. Here 1 cancels, D of P minus Q is equal to P minus Q by PQ. Okay, now don't confuse me. LHS minus LHS, RHS minus RHS. So here P minus Q also cancels. So we get D is equal to 1 by PQ. Okay, now so we get the first common difference. Okay, is it clear? We are given the pth term is 1 by q and the qth term is 1 by p. By using that one, pth term means a plus p minus 1d. Qth term means a plus q minus 1 into d. Where a is first term, d is next term. So we find d value. Okay, I will write here. I will erase this one because the place is not there. So for that purpose, I am writing here. Okay, na? The place I will write. Here D is there. In 1, what is 1? A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by Q na. A plus P minus 1 into D means 1 by PQ is equal to 1 by Q na. So A is equal to 1 by Q minus P minus 1 by PQ na, going to the side. PQ is LCM. Here it is Q minus P plus 1. You see that? It is PQ na. PQ means this is PQ cancels P. It will P later. LCM PQ na. If you divide with Q, P is there. P into 1 is P. So PP cancels. A is also 1 by PQ. Here 1 by PQ. So in both cases, in this problem, D and A both are 1 by PQ, 1 by PQ. Okay, now what we are asked to find in the problem, you see the PQth term. I erase that one. The PQth term. Say the PQth term is T PQ na. PQ is some numbers, don't confuse. PQ is some number. The PQth term is A plus, it is PQ minus 1 into D. Don't confuse me. Whatever it may be, this is a number 10. A plus 10 minus 1. It is some 9 minus 1, like that. Something is something minus 1. What is A? A is 1 by PQ. Just now we find. It is a PQ minus 1 into what is D? Also 1 by PQ. So PQ is LCM 1 plus PQ minus 1. So cancels. It's correct. A plus PQ minus just wait. D is 1 by PQ. So it is 1 plus PQ minus 1. Somewhere it is gone. Just wait. 1 by 2 PQ plus 1. PQ at, just wait 1 minute. I think the problem is the sum. Here I solve erase that is fine. Sum is there. So of course the PQth term is 1, okay. Now I will solve the sum then. I'm sorry, but you take this one also. We need SPQ. It is a sum of PQ terms is asked. That is why is SPQ is PQ by 2. Okay, na? Don't confuse it. This is extra, you assume. It's not needed, but it's I found because erase that one. That is why the PQ term is asked. Of course, this is okay. SM is sum of n terms. PQ terms. SPQ, PQ by 2, n by 2 is A plus okay, na? A plus PQ minus 1 into D, na? Same term. The last term is that one. Or otherwise I will write A plus L. You know that formula also. It is PQ by 2. What is A? 1 by PQ. What is L means? This is L. You say it is L. Of course, it is also needed. Okay, Nana? Like it. It is 1 that PQ term. That is the last term in this series. So it is PQ by 2 into 1 plus PQ by PQ, na? Making the LCM. PQ cancels. We get 1 by 2 of. You write in some order. Okay, PQ plus 1. Is it now correct? You see. So here unknowingly I took this one term, but it is needed because nth term is needed. Last term is needed. That PQth term is the last term in that series. So PQth term is L. That is this one 1. So L is equal to 1. A is already there 1 by PQ. This is sum to n terms means n by 2. Here PQ is there. PQ by 2. Of A is 1 by PQ, L is 1. Okay, LCM is 1 plus PQ by PQ LCM. PQ cancels, that is there. Okay, now it's a very good problem. Okay, thank you.